Hey everyone! Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025 and turning it into a source of income? It's a great time to begin, and the process is more accessible than ever, even if you're just getting started. First, create a Google account if you don't already have one, then go to YouTube and set up your channel. Choose a name that fits your content or personal brand, add a profile picture and banner, and write a compelling About section. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, tech, beauty, education, finance, fitness, daily vlogs, reactions, storytelling, or commentary, and start planning your content. Don't worry about expensive gear at first. Your smartphone and natural light can go a long way. Good audio is even more important than video quality in many cases, so consider an affordable mic like a lavalier or USB mic if you're on a budget. Focus on creating valuable, relatable, or entertaining videos with clear visuals and good pacing. Use editing tools like CapCut, iMovie, VidIQ, or DaVinci Resolve to cut out filler, add captions, and keep viewers engaged. Once your channel is set up, start uploading consistently. Whether that's once a week, twice a week, or daily, make a schedule you can realistically maintain. Optimize your videos with strong, clickable titles, bright and clear thumbnails, and searchable tags and descriptions using free tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or Keyword Tool. In 2025, the YouTube algorithm prioritizes content that keeps people watching, so focus on viewer retention. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Use engaging visuals. Ask questions to keep them thinking, and avoid long, boring intros. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Reddit, Discord, and TikTok to reach wider audiences, especially when you're new. If you create short-form content, don't ignore YouTube Shorts. These are monetizable now and offer a massive boost in reach, especially for channels just starting out. Shorts are great for teasers, behind the scenes, or highlights from your main videos, and they have the power to go viral even when your channel is small. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million Shorts views over 90 days, you become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. This is your first major milestone where you can start earning money from ads that play on your videos. But that's just the beginning. YouTube creators in 2025 earn through multiple income streams: ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, super thanks, channel memberships, merch shelf integration, and even YouTube Premium revenue from users who watch your content without ads. Some creators repurpose their video content into online courses, digital downloads, or coaching programs. Others create niche products based on their audience, like planners, ebooks, art, or music. Affiliate marketing is one of the best beginner-friendly income sources. You can earn by reviewing products, sharing tools you use, or recommending apps and software your audience might love. Just sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, Impact, or niche-specific affiliate programs, and include your links in the description. Be transparent about affiliate partnerships to build trust with your viewers. Sponsorships become a major income source as your audience grows. Even with a few thousand subscribers, brands may offer free products or small payments for shoutouts. With 10K plus subscribers, you can negotiate paid deals. Just make sure they align with your niche and values. Use platforms like Creator IQ, channel pages, or even LinkedIn to connect with brands directly. If you're a creator who prefers to stay anonymous or faceless, don't worry. There are tons of successful YouTube channels that use voiceovers, stock footage, animations, or AI tools like text-to-speech or avatar creators. Niche ideas like finance explainers, tech reviews, history storytelling, or motivational content work great for faceless channels. You can even outsource parts of your process using Fiverr or Upwork, depending on your budget. Consistency is key. Don't expect instant success. It takes time to build trust, understand your audience, and refine your content style. Use YouTube Analytics to track what's working. Look at click-through rate, CTR, average view duration, and subscriber growth. Double down on videos that perform well and learn from the ones that don't. Always keep improving. Test new video formats, collaborate with other creators, experiment with thumbnails, and ask your audience what they want to see more of. Community is a huge part of growth in 2025. Use the Community tab to post polls, sneak peeks, or updates to keep your audience engaged, even when you're not posting new videos. Respond to comments, give shoutouts, and thank your viewers for their support. Live streaming is another way to build deeper connections and boost watch time. You can stream Q&As, behind-the-scenes, tutorials, or just hang out with your audience in real time. Also, don't ignore the importance of branding. Create a consistent look and feel across your thumbnails, intro, channel art, and video structure. Viewers are more likely to subscribe when they instantly recognize and connect with your content. Create a compelling channel trailer for new visitors and pin your best-performing videos to the top of your homepage. In terms of monetization strategy, combine several income sources. Relying only on ad revenue can be risky due to algorithm changes or CPM fluctuations. Adding affiliate income, digital product sales, or memberships creates stability. If you have a skill, consider creating a simple course or resource and linking it in your description. If you're into digital products, tools like Gumroad, Notion, Canva, or Etsy can help you launch fast. Finally, keep learning. Watch tutorials, study successful channels in your niche, and stay updated with YouTube's Creator Insider updates or social media trends. Protect your channel with two-factor authentication, follow YouTube's community guidelines, and always credit music or content you didn't create yourself. The journey of being a YouTube creator is a mix of creativity, patience, and strategy. Whether you're doing this for fun, side income, or building toward full-time content creation, 2025 is the perfect year to start. You don't need to be perfect to begin, you just need to start. So pick up your camera or phone, hit record, and take that first step toward building your YouTube channel and turning your creativity into income.